Chumuligereri omo House representative korwa sechinta cha Minnesota imeanse ya America Huldah Momanyi X-ray nigori tukulia lero nyakaba gutara ase county Nyamira asanya kwa gukora ebikaro amone chingwana naba MCA be county eyo ime ya magacho ye bunge boigo umuske Momanyi niganyara kwa kubulyo kubwatirana na boigo sirana likwanakelia abananchi amagendero kubwatakana amo nechira chiribanya tukabakolirwa chingaki chie chikura boigo nigo omoske Huldah anyara kwa gusegeta omo bomugusi mnagotumye bulikito fatika Disemba.
Omo House representative o Minnesota Huldah Momanyi nigo aburirie abarai be county ya Nyamira kurigia na kurwanirira obomo bw'omugusi gagukwanira aba MCA ase bunge ye county ya Nyamira amo nabakori emiremo. Huldah Momanyi nigo asingirira obuya bw'abarai kurwagusi kuchamo na gukwana neriogi erimo.
You are the assembly of omugusi here in Nyamira. Let's make it a point to also make sure that we are protecting this omugusi. That we come together not because of politics, but because we are one people. The last time I remember, since you brought politics in the conversation, the last time omugusi that really came together politically, can someone remind the whole team? It was during a child's time. Remember? Yeah, everybody, all the MCAs were under what party? Exactly. Oh my God, we have UDA, we have this, we have that, and there's nothing wrong with that. But at the end of the day, though Ramana because of political parties. Political parties will come and go. But then Omugusi is here to stay if we fight for it.
Boigo Huldah Momanyi ubasegetire aba MCA be bunge ye county ya Nyamira kokorera abanyamira obokoreri obuya obwo barainyorerwe.
When leadership is centered on people, trust is built. When your community knows you are in this building fighting for them, you don't even have to beg them for their support. They'll have your back. Sindio, these people will have your back if they know you are in here fighting for them. And when trust is built, transformation follows. Because then you're creating policies and laws that actually impact a common manager that you're trying to.
Huldah Momanyi oyore asetaro yogosegeta obonjoreria kati ya Kenya ne state ya Minnesota nigo arenekerenga ekenene gyokoenekia Nyamira nero terigotigwa maega asobonjoreria obwo.
That is within my jurisdiction in Gurutagochaga, Ngurutera fast. Ngatini gainka. Yes, absolutely. And there's opportunities beyond measure. And those are the opportunities that I want to exploit to the fullest extent that I can, within my capacity. And so this economic trade mission that I'm creating, and I had a conversation with the governor, Amos Nyariwa, when I was here last time. And we shared a couple of things, how we can collaborate, you know? And as I was thinking about this trade mission, I was trying to figure out, how does Gusi region, not just Gusi region, about Gusi.
Omonogeri bwe bunge eyo Thaddeus Nyabaro nigo amwarigania Huldah ase bunge eyo na kumuburia aroisie obwamate obuya kati ye bunge ya Nyamira na boigo ebunge ya Minnesota eryogokinia obokoreri obuya gochase abanyamira.
In this regard, we would appreciate if you will extend an invitation to us to visit and learn from the House of Representatives in Minnesota. Further, we take interest in establishing a partnership and collaboration between this county and the state of Minnesota with a view of creating opportunities in fields such as education, health, culture, youth and women empowerment, and the common development. We envision more cooperation and lasting friendship between us and our friends abroad.
gwikira rero nigo Huldah akorire etaro ase kaunti ya Kilifi, Nyamira na boigo Kisii amo ne chinde abwase etaro eye yarorekanire gocha koreta uburabu anene ase kaunti ya Nyamira na boigo kaunti ya Kisii. Kinko ripotera Getembe koraiga samaga chamanene ye bunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira ayagotoka meya ward ya Township West Mugirango Njefatigad Kisemba.